side where all the cars are, right below Fort Apache. Advised, they are reaching over here, not exactly 100% sure their position though.
We got one friendly coming up to get sick. It's close to the southern ridge now.
Eric's here saying we got a guy on Apache that's wearing a tan shirt, but he's supposedly on green team.
That should not be.
He's coming up to the red. He's got around the hood.
If he's got a tan shirt on, then he's tan.
Right, but I think he's got a tan vest, tan hat, not a tan shirt. Frank, be advised, off in the southern side. I have on my green book bag, so don't shoot me if you're coming up to the ridge.
Watch it, Kebby.
F3.
Watch Apache.
Oh.
Apache guys down.
We're pushing up on M32 right now, trackside.
Warchild and Mechanic are just behind M28. Good copy.
We just lost the guy at the military checkpoint. Took fire from down, looks like down in the weeds down there.
Say again, I see one more body up for the Apache.
Yeah, they got a couple of guys that are just hiding and popping out of those weeds by the road.
Hey Kevin, that second car that I flipped, not the oh no, that is the Mustang.
You got somebody straight ahead of you.
We got one Tango east side of the flipped Mustang in the southern parking lot.
Watch out, you got a guy in our second
Side at 7, I got 14 pounds.
Market building.
market building, and then we also got somebody, unless that was Tom? Okay. You still got one straight ahead, the market building.
Got one dead roadside. Got him out.
I don't know who that is.
Got a Tango in the little slot.
You might have got that other guy though.
Hit!
If you got him. But you still got a guy straight ahead behind everything in the market building.
Sweetwater.
What?
Kill rag.
Thanks, buddy. Rich, are you guys still okay up there at Apache?
Lost Rich on the hill. I don't know what's on the road still, man.
I'm gonna cut the road. We got a lot of people coming back.
Okay. Warchild +1 heading for Fort Apache. You with me, brother?
Yep.
Alright. Where's your kill rag?
Todd, we still got Apache right now, but like we got to take out this whole trackside trail, or else we can't get in there. They're all sitting at S12, and we can't get into the junkyard to get those bombs. I'm dead.
Good copy. Me +1 are heading your way. Kevy, are you still at M29?
M28 behind it, yes.
Good copy. Warchild and Nova are going to push down the path and come up behind M29.
Do you have any stand guys roadside? Favor roadside. Copy, how far roadside are you guys?
Yeah, in that fucking ugly grotto.
I got that guy, and then the tan truck with the cap on it.
Gotcha.
The guy behind that.
Okay.
The only two I see so far.
Got some major problems on trackside. What's up? I'm coming up. Got anybody trackside? Yeah, I'm like all the way up by the fence. This is Rob. Hit the RV. I'm coming up right now.
What? Got one behind the brown F-150. We got one over here in this ugly grotto. One in F7. The one in F7 is just underneath that left radar dish.
Saber, what you got? Dad, were you able to get that guy out of the reach?
The Mustang there, when the guy in the grotto starts firing. Oh, I can fire it. Oh, you can see him? Oh, no, I can.
Yeah, we don't know where he is, but there is definitely one in there.
Okay, you guys ready? I'm going for it.
Go on. We just lost Ackerman. That should be an opportunity to push roadside guys and try and get into the red and white boat or something and start scouting buildings.
You got him in the grotto.
There's like 3 guys just permanently jacked up in all those.
Got him out?
Got him out. Yeah. Eric just got him.
The guy in the ugly grotto is out. Guys!
What range? The range along the road.
You know what? I'm going to move in. What? Alright, I'm going to move into that. He's out. We got it. Let's get into the ugly grotto ourselves. We'll get an angle. Sid and Warchild are going to try and push into the ugly grotto. Hey, is this side of Apache clear?
Go at the slanted wall. That bunker behind the missile bunker on that little hill there.
Can you push forward a little more, Rich, and slide into the ugly grotto? We just got the guy out that was in there.
Copy, I'm about to clear your fire. Copy that?
One behind the brown pickup. Me too.
One guy behind that F-150.
Taking shots.
Rich, is that you?
Yeah.
Okay.
One moving on 7. Somebody shoot that brown truck.
I've got the Impale in my way.
They just had one pretty fast mover moving it towards Road
What?
side, southbound.
Frank, we're down in the valley on the berm.
Come on, we're making good progress here, guys.
I got no shot at that guy behind the brown truck.
Okay. Kevy, we got no shot at the guy behind the brown F-150. You guys got to handle that one on your own.
We got a guy down in the front position on the boat. And
Rich and Warchild in the Ugly Grotto.
Got him! Brown truck is out!
Brown truck is down.
He called out! Yep, he's done.
What?
Frank, watch out straight ahead of you off to the next to that market building that Fifth Avenue.
That's the guy who was scared as fuck.
anybody on track side has moved up the trail really far. I could use some help here. Got a chance for a good push.
Walker's back in play, heading down Midtown.
Kevy, taking fire from the south end of the crooked wall.
Kevin, also S7.
Frank, watch it. The new wall, the crooked wall there. South end of it.
This guy running around roadside.
Does anybody have any eyes on any objectives?
Covering a package.
Frank has a package. Cover him. Hit!
Guys over by the slot in the reeds, there's a guy over there. He just got beat up by the boat.
I think that was our guy. He went to the working the other side.
Shit. Really?
Yeah, some guy from behind the tree or fucking like one.
Yeah, I'm in a bush behind M28.
You know, say something?
I think we got guys in the Ugly Grotto over there.
Copy that.
Charlie's looks like he's pretty pinned down up on Apache there. Charlie's out. He just got shot from the fence line.
Warchild and Saber coming in. We'll head over to Apache.
I'm over by Fort Apache right now. Looks like we got 3 guys trying to move in on it. 2 fence line, 1 coming straight up the hill on Apache.
Team, be advised, we currently have 3 people at respawn and 4 people going up the road to respawn. So we've got 7 of our guys out of action at the moment.
Oh, get down so I can have a shot.
Contact, I'm in the Ugly Grotto as well.
Warchild and Saber at the mosque.
We're out watch towards Apache. They're about to come up on it. One's behind you, Rob.
Hey,
shot. Where you need us at?
Get up to the front lines. Anywhere on the front lines will do.
Over toward Apache right now would be great.